All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their cooling eye gel mask. So bagging instead of an unboxing. Just some information here on the back for the company with their nice logo. Again, thanks to them. Alrighty. So, ooh, dang. So this is way different than I thought. Okay. Oh, so there's like one of those cold packs in here. So you can get it cold, you put it in the fridge, you get it cold, and then this goes right around your eyes. You got some nice Velcro here to strap it on while you go to sleep, so it shouldn't go anywhere. I'll say I don't know the exact material that this is, but it feels very silicone-y, almost like what comes on like swimming goggles, you know, that little stretchy stuff for swimming goggles, but definitely soft, shouldn't cause any issues. Looks like this comes out so you can clean it. Wow, very interesting. My wife's actually really excited for this one. She thinks it'll help her sleep. And there's a little pamphlet here, I guess an instruction booklet. So yeah, the operation guide. So freezer for 40 to 60 minutes or hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not put gel mask in microwave. Heated gel eye mask in hot water 15 to 20 minutes before use for heat therapy, or place the mask or the inner gel mask in the freezer for 40 to 60 minutes. Lengthen or shorten time according to your personal preference. You can store it in the refrigerator and take it out when needed. And so yeah, you can wash it, store it. That's pretty cool. That's relieves eye discomfort for migraines, sinus issues, dark circles, dry eyes, tired eyes, and puffy eyes. That could be good. Fast cooling gel. Please follow the steps and instructions. And yeah, that's I think that's really it. So definitely a very different and unique item, but something that I think a lot of people would be willing to try, especially if you need cold therapy for having migraines or anything like that, puffy eyes. You know, this would be worthwhile to buy. I think that will essentially do it for this eye mask. Again, special thanks to the company for sending this out my way. 2 massive thumbs up to them for this item. Seems really great. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.